We're gonna scare Tina's mama.
It's really tight already. There we go.
Go in there and just be like, oh my goodness, the screwdriver is loud.
What if Kyle comes out and he sees you with pick?
I don't know what to do. I'm like really not good at screaming.
What?
You know that, right? Oh, she wasn't over here, was she? She doesn't know about it.
I don't even have to scream. Scream. Really loud. No, like a...
Scream. You scream. Really loud.
Mom!
You gotta hide the...
Mom!
I'm sorry.
Mom, the screwdriver
Go
slipped!
on in there.
Is it still on?
The screwdriver
Sure.
slipped!
Oh.
I don't even see.
What is she doing? Oh my goodness.
It's
Oh.
ketchup.
I didn't want to grab it.
Okay, I am like, you guys need to like call the ambulance like right now.
High five.